Hello, friends. Important day for US markets as the Fed is going to decide the interest rates and the FOMC meeting is underway. Let's see what lies ahead for the day in US 100 and US 30. Which position we should take in order to make profit before I come up with the next analysis before the US cash session. So, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into US 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully, and do note down the levels there. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, it appears that it might give you a rise here that as after retracement, it is now again looking forward to a rise. And see, yesterday we have seen a good drop in US 100 as I have told you. 12,100 and 12,050, these levels you should watch out for. Precisely it achieves and bounce back from there. Now if you look at the hourly chart, see what it is trying to do. It is trying to give you lower highs, and if it breaks past this zone at 12,300 successfully till the time it trades below 12,300, I will not recommend you to take a long entry, but yes, if it trades about 12,300 you can go long and then expect it to rise again the same levels as yesterday. 12,300, 12,250, rather I will say, because right now it is trading at 12,250 itself. But yes, if you see it trading below 12,250, you can still take a short. Rather, you can take a short at 12,240, take a 10 points cushion. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish, and RSI is comfortable on the hourly charts. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, it is giving you lower highs, hence be watchful. And also look at this, it is trying to give, this candle is trying to give you a breakout here, and possibly once it trades beyond this zone at 12,300, definitely we can expect a further more rise which might take it till towards 12,350, 12,400. These two levels you should watch out for. Also, if you look at these 2-hour charts, you can find it is trying to trade in this channel, and hence be watchful of this zone, specifically at 12,280 levels and 12,300 levels. The directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD has just crossed over, and it is crossed over for a bullish move. See, it was trading in red for multiple candles. Now it is crossed over for the first time. Be watchful here. If it gets a third green candle, probably it is going to be remain bullish for throughout this day. RSI is comfortable there. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour chart, it is trying to retrace. And also previous two candles, lower highs, higher lows, and now it is trying to give you a breakout, getting the resistance there. And that is why the zone at 12,280, 300 is important. If it breaks past this, definitely it is a good time to stay long on US 100. The target could be at around 12,340, 12,400, and beyond that it will fly high. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic looking towards entering into overbought zones. MACD is trying to converge crossover. RSI is trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see the bulls are not there. It is trying to take a charge, but the previous candle, lower highs, higher lows. This time it is trying to give you a breakout. Any breakout beyond 12,280, 300 zones should be a good level again. And then 12,340 and 12,400 are the next target. Beyond that, it is going to fly high strongly on the upside. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge crossover. RSI is trading flat, and similarly on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts too, see it has achieved a bottom out there. It has got the support at 12,050. See, this zone is very, very important on the daily charts, as I told yesterday. Now look at the last 4 candles, and if you look at the movement out there on the daily charts, see this is how it is trading. From here achieving the bottom, it started to rise, formed a double top, lower high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, again trying to rise. So beyond that also, even if it breaks 12,000, you can expect it to get a support at 11,950, 900 zone. 900, very strong support on the downside. Now look at this. This is the 4th red candle in succession. This is a weekend candle, so ignore it. So third red candle, and this candle specifically, it had the body size more than or less than half the size of the complete candle, and hence indicating that the bears failed to take the charge, and it may start to rise from here. What could be a good long entry? As I said, once it breaks past this zone at 12,300, definitely one can expect a stronger rise. So 12,340 is the next target. Beyond that it will fly, and then 12,400, 450. Beyond that also you can expect it to hit 12,600 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is trading in green consistently. It is trying to converge and crossover. A sharp drop will definitely make it crossover today, and then it will trade into bearish zones. However, right now it appears it is trying to take the support from the bottom of the channel and trying to rise on the upside. Today you should watch out for 12 to 80 300 zone. If it trades above these levels, definitely this is a good entry to go long, and then one can expect it to rise high. So yes, you can take a long entry at 12 to 80, wait for it to achieve 12,300 and 320. These are the next targets. If 12,320 crosses over, see till 12,340 50, it has got a stronger resistance. Till 340 350, it has got a stronger resistance. Beyond that, it will fly high. And as I say always, beyond that, with conviction, you can expect it may fly till towards 12,450 500 levels, and in fact, it can achieve beyond levels also. So trade accordingly. On the downside, as I said, you can go long at 12 to 80. On the downside, you can go short at 12 to 40. Once again, as I said yesterday, once again below 12 to 40, you can expect it to drop for 12 to 100. And once it goes past 12 to 100, the direct next destination is 12,100, which is the next support. And then below that, we can expect a good crash till towards 12,050, 11,950 levels, and 11,900 is also possible. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Caution zone is in between 12,200 to 12,350 levels, 150 points. But yes, you can take a long entry at 12,280 and a short entry at 12,240. But a larger caution zone in between 12,200 and 12,350. Be watchful of these levels. Trade accordingly. Trade profitably. Trade safely. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Look at the early charts for US30. You can see a retracement, then a rise, and it is almost achieved the highs out there. Be watchful of 31,900. I have told yesterday also, be watchful of 31,900. Then 31,950 is the next resistance. Beyond that, you will directly see it landing at 32,050, and beyond that, it will fly for 32,200 levels. So trade with caution there. Look at the early charts. See, on the early charts, it is trying to trade in this bearish channel. The highs are almost done. It appears if it breaks past 31,900, definitely we can see a good rise out there. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is near to top there. The MACD is white divergent bullish. RSI is looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you'll find there is a strong resistance at around 31,900. If it breaks past this, definitely a stronger rise can be expected beyond these levels, and you can remain bullish. But it is largely going to be again a swing day. Be watchful of 31,900 levels today. Beyond that, you can expect it to rise for 31,950 and 32,050. Beyond that, it is going to fly for 32,200 plus levels. On the downside, as I said, be watchful of 31,800 on the downside, possibly breaking which you can expect it to drop. See, after if you look at the 2 hours candle, after this consolidation, it is trying to give you a breakout. Hence, be watchful of here at around 31,800, 820 zone. If it breaks below, we can expect a good drop again. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is looking over, trying to enter into overbought levels. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and the RSI is trading flat. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts here, you will find that there is going to be a resistance there. It is almost at the top, and hence 31,900 is a very good entry for you to stay long. On the downside, be watchful of 31,820, 830 zone. If it breaks below, you can stay short. So in between these 70 points, you have to exercise caution there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. So it is right now converging. Let's see if it crosses over, it sustains the bullish move. RSI is looking upwards. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, look at this. After this consolidation zone, it is again coming back to these levels, which is a strong resistance zone, and breaking and sustaining above which, yes, you can expect it may give you further bullishness. The directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. RSI looking upwards. And on the daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, see, in general, see these two candles, lower highs, lower lows, and this time it is trying to give you a breakout, almost taking the support out there. It is trying to reverse from here, and hence 31,900 you should watchful of. Beyond that, you can definitely stay long, and then 31,950, either it can form a double top and drop. Even if it is bearish, it may try to form a double top and drop, else it may continue to rise. So beyond 31,950, you can expect 32,050, and then beyond that, it is going to fly high on the upside. So be watchful and cautious of this on. And yes, below 31,830, you can go short there and expect it to drop for 31,050. 750 and 31,700 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking downward. The MACD is on the verge of it is trying to converge. Basically, RSI is trading flat. Considering this, go short at 31,830. The next support at 31,800 and 31,750. 31,700. I have told you yesterday also. I have told you day before also. Till 31,700, it has got support at every 50 points. So 31,700 is the last support, 31,750, then 31,800 and 31,830 right now is a good support for it too. So if it breaks below, you can take your short positions accordingly. Below 31,700, I told you yesterday, I am telling you again today, it will break for 31,500 and below levels. On the upside, above 31,900, go long for 31,950, 32,050 and then 32,200. Beyond that, it is going to fly further high towards 32,500 level. I think probably we should be watchful today and cautious today with the FOMC. We may see little volatility and hence you should always trade with a stop loss and trade with a trailing stop loss. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. And yes, you can join my signals group, you can join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. 15 days it is the mentorship batch and 90 minutes daily. Lifetime support is what you get. So first invest in your learning and then try to trade. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.